Hey, okay, what's up everyone? Welcome again with me, it's Rico, and today I want to continue this series, okay, but it's not about Linux anymore, okay, sorry. Yeah, but of course I will continue the Linux part, but like today I want to continue, and today I want to share with you guys like a coding question, okay. So basically what's the coding question? Yeah, it's very important, okay, because when you get interviewed by the top companies, okay, or if you want to get higher, okay, it's like most likely, okay, that they will ask you about the coding question and you have to solve it, right? Okay, so that's why, okay, because coding question sometimes it's tricky and sometimes it's easy, okay, but you know, like you have to practice every day, right? So you will get used to it. So yeah, I already prepared one coding question. Okay, it's just not really hard, but I think it's very good to try it. Okay, okay. So yeah, now I already opened the website HackerRank, okay, and I already find something interesting. Yeah, it's a coding question. Okay, so it's a Fizzbuzz coding question. Yeah, actually the name sounds really cool. Yeah, Fizzbuzz. It's just like kind of game something. Character. Okay, so given a number n for each integer, okay, I in the range from 1 to n inclusive, print one value. Okay, so we have to print the value, okay, from the number, okay, yeah, from the each integer we have to check, okay, if I is a multiple of both 3 and 5, then we have to print Fizzbuzz. And if I is a multiple of 3 but not 5, we have to print Fizz. Then if it's a multiple of 5, we have to print Buzz. If it's not multiple of 3 and 5, print the value of I. So we have to print the value itself. Yeah. So basically that's pretty simple if we read uh, the question, yeah. But let's try it. Okay, yeah. So here's the sample input. Okay, sample input is 15. Okay, then we have to check 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, right? So yeah, basically let's try it. Okay, so what that I want to do first, okay, because here I want to do a loop, okay, to check that every single number from the integer, I mean like from 1, yeah, until the number itself, okay, we will loop it and check if it pass the condition or not using if. Okay, so that's pretty simple, right? So let's try it. I want to start with 4, let I, then I will put here 1, okay, because we are not using an array though. And now I want to check if I is smaller, yeah, it's smaller than n itself, okay, then it will loop, and then it will have an increment, okay, so from 1 to 3 and so on, right, until the n is reached. Okay, so that's it, yeah. And here I want to check using if else, okay, because that's the if we want to check the condition, just use if else, right? That's pretty simple. So here, if I is multiple of both 3 and 5, then we have to print a Fizzbuzz, right? So here, let's check it. Okay, if I, then we want to use a modulo, okay, modulo. Okay, I guess that's by 3 as a multiple of both 3 and 5. Yeah, so okay, so if 3 is, I think it's 0, like this, okay, it's, or sorry, n, I will use n here. Okay, I small and say 5, okay, because we want to check if it's multiple by 5 or no. We want to print, okay, right, we want to print, we want to print what is this, Fizzbuzz, right? Like this, sorry, yeah, Fizzbuzz, okay. That's all, okay, for the first condition. Then we want to create a second if else, like this. So now just copy it, okay, pretty simple. Okay. Just copy it here, and again just copy the console here. If it's multiple by 3, we will only just want to print the fees only. Now just copy and paste it, okay, since just change 3 to 5, and then it will change it to bus, right? Like this. And else, okay, it means that other condition, yeah, that not multiple by 3 and 5 are either one of them. Okay, we'll just print the value itself, right? Like this. Okay, so we want to print here is the I, right? Like this. Okay, so it will check, it will look for everything, and it will basically check it for every condition here. Okay, so basically that's all. If yeah, okay, I think this, let's try it. Oh, what can I make this to full screen? Because kind of smaller. But as you can see here, I think where's my expected output? Okay, you just just check the your output with the expected output. If it's all correct, I think it's all correct. Yeah, but yeah, this plus this 12, this 11, 13, 14. That's all good. I think it's all okay. Okay, so just run the test. Okay, I'm pretty optimistic. Okay, here. Yep. Okay, we passed for every test here. Okay, so basically, our code is already correct. Okay, but yeah, as you can see. Okay, so first you have to look for everything. Okay, and follow the number. Yeah, to check for each the number. Then we have to check with if else to check if it's past the condition or not. Yeah. Okay, so this is my code here. Okay, for the Fizzbuzz question. Maybe there's another, of course, I believe it. Okay, there's another a better code, a better algorithm. Okay, maybe a faster or maybe shorter than mine, but like I want just to share you guys some this. Okay, it's like how you can think through the code, through the algorithm, how can you solve this question. Okay, but I think, yeah, feel free to modify, okay, the code and find the better code than this. Okay, so yeah, basically that's all. I will submit because we already press it, and yeah, yes, okay, it's all good, and yeah. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Okay, see you in another video. Okay, goodbye.